Hey everybody, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm so excited to be able to show you the Heffy Doodle die cut and emboss machine. This is the mini die cutting machine. I have a big die cutting machine, and y'all know, if you've watched me at all in the past, that I really do like my smaller die cutting machine because oftentimes you just don't need to shove one little die through a big die cutting machine. And but having your small one, especially if you're a limited space, it can be fantastic. And I have not opened it yet, but here it is. It includes 2 metal cutting dies and a mini embossing folder, which is so cool. It's nice and compact. So here's the contents. We've got the die cutting machine, a slide-on base, 2 A cutting plates, 1 embossing plate, a plastic shim, the Dotty mini embossing folder, 1 bare metal cutting die, 1 cloud metal cutting die, and your instruction leaflet. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look, and I'm already in love with the color. I mean, and it's the Heffy Doodle color, so it's, you know, hard not to love it already. But let's go ahead and open it. Oh yeah. Quick, open me. Let's get crafty. Awesome. All right, so this is your base. I'll talk about that in a second. And here is our machine. Let's just pull it all out. Okay, we'll talk about all the little things. Here is our, oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so we've got our base. Let's open it up so that we can have everything out and in the open. Pull out your little pieces. And the base, so this is just how cute it is. All right, so let's measure it. So if you're thinking about space, it's about 8 inches. 8 inches from here to here. And it measures about 2 3/4 inches this way. That's without the base on. And this is how it's going to open up. And you crank this way, of course hold like this. Look at how cute that is. We've got our little bear in there, the little Heffy Doodle bear. Let's get crafty. And it's nice because it closes up super great. And then if you want to make it a little bit sturdier, you put the base on. Let's see. There is a special way we put the base on. Okay, so you just kind of, that doesn't take a lot of effort, but that definitely makes it a little bit more sturdy. And then it has these little, almost like, not sticky, but they will stick to your surface. So now this baby isn't really going anywhere. You can absolutely do your cutting without the base on it, but this is great. So all right, let's talk about our plates. Ooh. Okay, so we have, this is your B plate. This is a little shim, and then we have 2 A plates. So these are your cutting plates. These are definitely bigger than the die cutting machine and plate that I have before. And I'm only going to talk about that because, okay, so this is 6.5 inches. By 3 inches. I am in love with that. So let me show you the plates I have for my other one. The other little die cutting machine I have are tiny plates, and I love that this is bigger. It's a little bit bigger, but the machine itself really isn't any bigger than my other little machine. So I am super stoked about that. And then you've got your B plate and then your little shim. So let's open her up, the instructions, and talk about it, which is great. So how to cut, we've got all of our little instructions in there. Yeah, so you do your, just to cut it out, you could use the plastic shim if you wanted, but the plastic shim is going to go underneath the shim, or the plate. Then you would do your cutting plate, then you'd have your paper, your die, and then another cutting plate. So if you need the shim, you're going to put it underneath, okay? So you'd put it underneath, and then you'd put everything in between. So that's nice. Then we also have how to emboss. So that would take your cutting plate, your embossing folder, and then your B plate. So keep your instructions. You're going to want that in case you, oh, look at that, how cute. All the beautiful samples that lots of the DT has. Very cool and colorful. Love it. Super pretty. So there is that. And here are the 2 little dies that come in this set. We've got the bear and the cloud. Let's cut something out. Let's cut something out. And I love it. Look at the little bear. He has a little nose too. Cuts out the little eyes and the ears. So let me find some brown cardstock real quick. Okay, so I've got a piece of cardstock, and this is 3 inches, so it's going to fit on my plate perfectly. I'm just going to put my bear on there, and with this I can get a lot of them out of there. So that's very cool. My suggestion with these is always to have one plate as your cutter, and this is how I do it. One plate as a cutter, and then your other plate just isn't. That one is just your top plate all the time. And the reason I do it that way is because eventually you may have to get rid of this one, and then you can switch to this one and just get one plate rather than having two. But that's just me. So everybody's got to do their thing. I can tell you. Oh, I already love it. So let's see. Oh, and that cut it out just fine. I didn't need the shim. And then we have his little nose in there. Look at how cute he is. And his little ears stayed in there too. You could obviously cut out some pink or something like that for his nose, or just Copic color his little nose and his ears. But isn't he adorable? And then you'll see on the plate that you do have a little bit of a cut impression. It's not actually that bad. So that's awesome. Now let's emboss, because why not, right? We're going to try that. So I'm going to cut this down real quick. And then I can put this into my folder, the cute little folder that comes with it. Now I don't know if she's going to end up if there's any sort of market for actually having tiny little folders like this. So I don't know if that's something that Leslie's going to do, but it is cute that there is one in there. And if you have some long skinny ones or something like that, you might be able to do that. Oh no. So this is how we're going to do it. You're going to put it onto your cutting plate, and then you're going to use your embossing folder. So pay attention to your directions. Don't do what I almost did right there. And it goes through so easy. So easy. Oh, check it out. Look at how cute is that. Got a little tone-on-tone bear. You could put him on there. How cute is he? How fun. I love this. I'm a big fan. Big fan of this right now. And so this is going to be great for all of your small cutting, all of your, all your small cutting. So you wouldn't need to necessarily have out your big machine all the time, even the, Platinum 6 or anything like that. This is great for small spaces and folds up easy, and you can easily just, keep everything out of the way, which is awesome. Like I said, if you have limited space, which sometimes I do. Right now I seem to have a little bit bigger space, but when we move again, I may not. So I love this, and I love how sturdy that is on that base. So, yep, I'm a big fan. All right, so that is one thing that Heffy Doodle has just recently come out with. Let's talk about some of the other things that are now new to the store. I'm going to move our adorable little cutter out of the way. All right, there is also this is called the Mini Essentials die. So this is great because this is going to fit through your new machine, just no problem. And there is a promotion going on, I believe. I'll have a link to the Heffy Doodle blog. So we have this rectangular one. This measures a little under 3 inches by a little over 3.5 inches, or maybe about 3.5 inches. And then you've got these little pieces in here that'll all fit inside of that, or you can use them separately. But wouldn't that be fun? You could almost make like Polaroid photo cutouts, and then you could make shakers with it, and you've got lots of options here. You could make a little frame with these too. How cute would that be? You also have the circles, 2 circles to be able to do that with, and then you have a star. I'm going to have a sample for you here at the end of this video just to be able to show you. So I'll play with it and then have something to show you at the end. But then you have your star, you have a really cool cute little banner. You also have this fun tag, and then you have 2 hearts which can be layered up very nicely, which I love. But isn't that tag just adorable? Check that out. I love tags. Tags are awesome. And we're getting into Christmas, so this might be an essential set. I guess that's why they call it the Mini Essentials Dies. Because they really are. All those little options on there. And they will work beautifully with your brand new little die set. Or, I mean, die cutting machine. Alright, something else that is going to be new to the Heffy Doodle store is some double-sided adhesive foam strips. And these are great. They're 3 millimeters deep. Okay? So they're fairly deep. Alright, this will be great for your little shakers. They're fairly deep, but we also have 3 millimeter, or 5 millimeter, 3 millimeter, and 138 millimeter. We have 11 strips of each of those, and then 3 millimeter by, oh wait, no. So it's 5 millimeter by 3 millimeter by 138 millimeters is 11 strips. Then you have the 3 millimeter by 3 millimeter by 138 millimeters, and you have 15 strips of those. So you have 15 strips of these a little bit thicker ones, and 15 strips of these a little bit thinner ones. So that's quite a few on there, and I think that's awesome. So 26 of them. Then we also have, well, while we're talking about foam and foam tapes, we have a couple new rolls of foam tape that are going to be in the Heffy Doodle store. We have the 5 millimeter wide and the 12 millimeter wide, and these are a perfect thickness for your shaker cards. So they're a little bit, let's see, so here's your regular Scotch, which is what I tend to grab, and it's pretty thin, but if I double it up, it's going to be about that size. So no more doubling up if I don't want to. Can't wait to give this stuff a try. Maybe I'll make a little shaker with those. So let's open this up. But I love it because there's 5 millimeter wide, so it's look at how thin. It's fairly thin. And then we have this one, which is the 12 millimeters, and it's a little bit thicker. And then I like it when it's in these rolls as well. So let's pull that off. You've got your release paper to come off of there. Let's see how easy it is to cut with your regular scissors. Oh, very easy, and it doesn't stick. That's nice. It doesn't stick to your scissors, which is one of the things that's kind of a pet peeve of mine. You have to have special scissors just for cutting your foam tapes. But this is nice, and I love the thickness of it, so it's good and thick. And it's nice and thin this way. Let's put it on something. Just put it on here. Check that out. Check out the thickness. It's really nice. Perfect for shakers. Just perfect. And it has a good stickiness there, so that's nice. I don't know if it's something that can be torn. I'm going to say no. I wouldn't attempt to tear that. I would definitely just cut it. But there you have those two. So let's put these back away. But yes, we have 3 new options for some foam tape. Love that. 3 millimeter deep. It's wonderful. Alright, so those are new to the store. We also have some bright white alcohol marker friendly cardstock, and this is A5 size. So A5 size is, let me just measure for you. It's 6 inches by 8.5 inches. Bright white, and I do like that it is very bright white. And I've actually been using this cardstock for a while now. From Heffy Doodle, and I like it. I like it an awful lot. So there are, how many sheets are in here? Well, it actually doesn't say on there how many are in there, but I imagine it's a decent amount. Let's see, shall we? Oh, yes, but it's super, super smooth. So you have 10 sheets. So 10 sheets of the A5 size, and they are very smooth, very stark white, and I think, I mean, that's a beautiful combination when you're talking about alcohol marker coloring. So there is another option for you. If the Nina 80 pound, sometimes that just isn't quite white enough, but I really do like how stark white this is. Then this is, they had one whole set out before, but now we have a new set, and I love it. It's so pretty. I love all the different colors. Let me just open that up. And I need to get a printout of the what they're called. So we've got two of this beautiful green. Oh, look at all that. Ooh, we've got a lot of green options, which is fun. Look at all those colors. So those are new and beautiful. So I love that there's a few more options. I like that we have some yellows that are a little bit different. So we have that. All right, lots to play with here. So I'll be back in a little bit to show you a sample. All right, before we go into what I made, I did want to point out that Heffy Doodle also has a darling little holder in the store that can be used for, and it's so cute. So it can be used for your stamp chamois or a sponge. You put that in there. Don't mind mine. Mine is obviously very loved. And you can, you know, close it up this way if you need to take it somewhere. It does have the holes in the bottom, so it'll still get air. But otherwise, it can just sit on your desk like so, which is how I plan to keep it out. But isn't that cute? And it says Heffy Doodle in there. And it's only available in the store. And if you look closely, it's the little bear. He's holding hands. So cute. So yeah, that is in the store if that's something that you're interested in. But now let's take a look at the things that I made using the... I love this die cutting machine. Like I said, my old one that I have that is small is a little bit smaller as far as like the plates, but it's still about the same size. So I love that these are bigger plates. And so I made, using the Essentials die, this is the Mini Essentials die, works perfectly with it, as do most of the dies, like all your matching dies that would go with some of your stamp sets. But I made a cute little card with it. We've got, and that's the little bear that comes with the die cutting machine, and I also went ahead and used the little embossing folder as well. And then several elements from the Mini Essentials die set. So I just made a cute little card. It could be a cute little fun one to put in a lunch box if our kids are ever back at school. So there's that. And then I also made a couple little shakers. So I used the Heffy Doodle foam tape that's good for shakers, and check that out. That's, I mean, I filled these babies with stuff, and you know, one layer will do you, and I love it. And I also use some of the new cardstock colors, but isn't that great? So much room to move around, and I also love that my elements don't stick to the foam tape like it does other stuff. Like, it's not sticking to the sides of that foam tape at all. Love it. That way I don't have to use like a magic powder bag or anything like that, because sometimes that can put a little film on your acetate. So I could attach these to card fronts if I wanted to. You know, they'll be cute on the front of a card, or very easily I could, you know, just keep them the way that they are and hand them out, like make a little tag or something like that. But there you go. So there's a couple little projects. I'm going to have everything linked down below so that you can get your hands on it before it all sells out. There is, I don't know how long it's going on, but there is a promotion going on with the little die cutting machine. I think if you spend a certain amount, you can get the two of them together, or you can get this separate if you want. There's also cutting plates sold separately as well. So there you have it. All right, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, you know the deal. Thanks for all the love and support you guys leave. You guys are awesome. And as always, I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.